Welcome to Nature Walk, the podcast where we delve into the fascinating stories and discoveries from the natural world. I'm your host, David, and I'm excited to share another intriguing episode with you today. As we take our first steps into this week's journey, let's talk about a recent study that caught my attention. Researchers have been exploring the complex relationships between our gut microbiome, diet, and overall health. It's no secret that the trillions of microorganisms living inside us play a crucial role in shaping our well-being, but scientists are still unraveling the mysteries of this intricate ecosystem. A team of investigators from Harvard and MIT has made some remarkable findings, shedding light on how certain dietary patterns can influence the balance of our gut microbiome. By analyzing data from a large cohort of participants, they identified specific microbial signatures associated with different diets and health outcomes. One of the key takeaways from this study is that a diverse diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can promote a more balanced gut microbiome. This, in turn, may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases like obesity, diabetes, and even certain types of cancer. But here's the fascinating part. The researchers also found that individual responses to different diets can vary greatly, depending on the unique composition of each person's gut microbiome. This suggests that a one-size-fits-all approach to nutrition may not be effective, and that personalized dietary recommendations based on an individual's microbial profile could be the future of health and wellness. As we continue to explore the intricate relationships between our diet, gut microbiome, and overall health, we may uncover even more surprising insights into the natural world. From the tiny microorganisms living inside us to the vast ecosystems that surround us, every discovery has the potential to transform our understanding of the world and our place within it. We'll be right back with more fascinating stories from the natural world on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk. I'm your host, David. We're exploring the fascinating world of natural wonders and the intricate relationships within our ecosystem. Today, we've been delving into some remarkable stories, and now it's time for our middle segment, where we venture into a truly unique tale of how penguins are inadvertently helping to cool down Antarctica. Imagine a landscape as stark and beautiful as Antarctica, where the icy vastness stretches out before you like an endless canvas of white. It's here, in this frozen desert, that a fascinating phenomenon has been discovered, one that involves penguins, their guano, or droppings, and the formation of clouds that could be playing a crucial role in cooling down this rapidly warming continent. Researchers, led by Matthew Savoca from Stanford University, have made a groundbreaking discovery. By studying the ammonia wafting off the droppings of 60,000 Adelie penguins, they found that this gas contributes to the formation of clouds over Antarctica. These clouds are acting as a natural insulation, reflecting some of the sun's energy back into space and thus helping to cool down the area. But how exactly does this process work? It begins with the ammonia from the penguin guano reacting with sulfuric acid in the atmosphere, which is produced by phytoplankton, tiny plant-like organisms in the ocean. This reaction leads to the formation of aerosol particles, which are essential for cloud formation. In a region as pristine and untouched as Antarctica, where human pollutants are minimal, these natural aerosols can have a significant impact on the climate. The researchers measured atmospheric ammonia during the southern hemisphere's summer months and found that concentrations of the gas skyrocketed when the wind blew from the penguin colony towards their detectors. Even after the penguins had left the colony, the guano continued to emit ammonia for at least a month, demonstrating its lasting effect on the atmosphere. This discovery opens up new avenues for understanding how Antarctica will transform as the world warms. It highlights the importance of considering the complex interactions between different species and their environments in climate models. For instance, some penguin species might produce more ammonia than others, leading to varying levels of cloud formation and cooling effects. However, this story also has a cautionary note. Penguin populations are under threat due to climate change, with many colonies shrinking or disappearing as they lose access to their prey. If these penguin populations decline, it could lead to fewer clouds forming over Antarctica, resulting in more warming and creating a self-reinforcing cycle of disruption. The implications of this research are far-reaching. It suggests that protecting penguin species and their habitats is not just crucial for the birds themselves, but also for the health of our planet. By preserving these natural cloud-forming processes, we might be able to offset some of the warming effects of climate change. As we continue on Nature Walk, we're reminded of the deep connections between different components of our ecosystem and the intricate balance that sustains life on Earth. The story of penguins and their role in cooling Antarctica is a compelling reminder of the beauty and complexity of nature and the importance of preserving it for future generations. Stay tuned for our final story of the day, right here on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk. I'm your host, David. As we conclude our journey through the natural world today, I'd like to take you to a fascinating destination that's been uncovering secrets of the ancient past. The Petrified Forest National Park in Arizona has long been a treasure trove for paleontologists and nature enthusiasts alike. Recent discoveries have shed new light on the diversity of life during the Triassic period, over 200 million years ago. Imagine walking through a landscape where giant reptiles once roamed, and tiny, venomous lizards left behind clues to their existence in the form of minute fossils. The park's unique geological history has preserved these remnants, allowing scientists like Dr. Ben Kligman and his team to uncover the stories they tell. One of the most exciting finds in recent years is the discovery of a new species of limbless amphibian, Funcusvermis gilmeri, or funky worm in Latin. This caecilian, resembling a snake, has no prior fossil record before the Jurassic period, making it an incredible find. The process of uncovering these fossils is painstakingly meticulous. Rock samples are carefully collected from sites like Thunderstorm Ridge, washed, and then picked through under microscopes to reveal the tiny bones and fragments. The use of advanced technology, such as computed tomography scanners at Sandia National Labs, has also been instrumental in reassembling these ancient pieces, providing detailed views of the anatomy of Triassic animals. These discoveries not only expand our understanding of evolutionary history, but also remind us that even the smallest creatures can hold significant secrets to the past. The Petrified Forest National Park stands as a testament to the wonders waiting to be uncovered in our natural world, where every new find has the potential to change our perspective on ancient life forms. As we close this episode of Nature Walk, I encourage you to reflect on the importance of preserving and exploring our natural heritage. The stories of the past, hidden within fossils and landscapes, are a reminder of the vast mysteries still awaiting us in the world around us. That's all for today's Nature Walk. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, keep exploring your natural world. That's all for today's Nature Walk. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, keep exploring your natural world.